Katie, what did you get, sweetie?
Hello Kitty Band-Aid.
Yay, Band-Aids.
When I get boo-boos, I have to get my Hello Kitty Band-Aid.
Right.
I got this Hello Kitty Band-Aid.
And they're so pretty.
Thanks.
You love Hello Kitty Band-Aids. And little Zuzui. And what about this Dora video? What's it called? Dora Super Silly Fiesta.
So well.
That's so exciting, Katie.
This one is mine.
It's a big bunny, honey.
It's a big one.
Nummy.
And this is my pot.
What's inside?
Candy.
Wow.
I can't even open it.
Very nice, honey.
We have to take the wrapping off the outside.
Okay, look at me. Sing Happy Easter, Katie.
Happy Easter!